Now there are several different methods to find the mean. We can find the mean by, first one is the direct method, and the second method is the shortcut method, or we can say assumed mean method. Assumed mean method. Third one is the step deviation method. So we discuss all these three methods by taking some examples. So first of all, we discuss about the direct mean method. Direct method to find the mean of the given observation. The first example is, now in this problem, find the missing value of p for the following distribution whose mean is 12.58. The values of x are 5, 8, 10, 12, p, 20 and 25, and the value of y is 2, 5, 8, 22, 7, 4 and 2. So here x is your observations, that is 5, 8, 10, 12, and y is the frequency. Frequency means an observation, the number of times a particular observation occurs is called the frequency. Here the observation is 5 and this frequency is 2. It means the 5 is occurs 2 times. The observation is 8 and its frequency is 5. It means the observation 8 is occurs 5 times. So in the direct method we can find the mean by using the formula. The mean is denoted by x bar, and the mean is defined as sigma x into f divided by sigma x. Here x is your observation and f is the frequency. So we have to product the observation with the corresponding frequency to get xf. So in this table we have, in the first column we have to write the observation, in the second column we have to write the corresponding frequency, and then we multiply the observation with the corresponding frequency to get fx. So in the mean we have to find the summation of x into f. We have to find xf and we have to sum of all the xf values, sigma xf divided by sigma f. Sigma f. Sigma means the summation and sigma f means the sum of all the frequencies. So in these tables we have given x, that is 5, 8, 10, 12, p, 20, 25, and the corresponding frequencies are 2, 5, 8, 22, 7, 4 and 2. So we have to find the fx, means we have to multiply x with f. 5 into 2, that is 10, 8 into 5, 40, 10 into 8, 80, 12 into 22, that is 264, p into 7, 7p, 20 into 4, that is 80, 25 into 2, that is 50. So we have to find the summation fx. Summation fx is, we have to sum all the sums. We have to sum all the values of fx. So its sums comes to be 524 plus 7p. We cannot add this value because we don't know the value of p, so we have to take separately. So same way in the frequency, the sum of the frequencies comes to be 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 8 15, 15 plus 22 37, 37 plus 7 44, 44 plus 48, 2 plus 50. So the summation of frequency comes to be, frequency is 50. So the mean is defined as sigma xf divided by the sigma f, that is 524 plus 7p divided by the summation of frequency, which is 50, and the mean is given as 12.58. So by cross multiplying we get 0.58 into 50, which is comes to be 629 is equals to 524 plus 7p. So 7p is equals to 105 and p is equals to 105 divided by 7, which is comes to be 15. So the value of p is 15. So according to option, let's say option B is 15. So according to option B is correct. Now the next method to find the mean is the assume mean method. In the assume mean method, the mean can be found as x bar. The mean is defined as x bar is equals to a plus sigma ft upon sigma f, where a is our assumed mean, So in the given observations, the observations are 50, 20, 22, 24, 25, 30, 33, 38. We can assume any we can assume the mean from any of these observations. Basically we take the central values, so we can take the mean as, let's say 25 is our assumed mean. Let's say 25 is your assumed mean, and here the d is come. The d means the deviation. Deviation can be obtained by subtracting the assumed mean from the observation. The observation is x and the assumed mean is a. So the deviation can be obtained by subtracting the assumed mean from the observation. So d is equals to x minus a. So we can find the mean by using assume mean method by using this formula, that is x bar, or you can say the mean is equals to a plus sigma ft upon sigma f. Now here the observations are given as 15, 22, 20, 22, 24, 25, 30, 33 and 38. So x is our observations. We have to write in this first column, that is 15, 20, 22, 24, 25, 30, 33 and 38. This is our observations, and from this observation we assume that a is your assumed mean. And their corresponding frequencies are 5, 8, 11, 20, 23, 18, 13 and 2. Now we have to find the deviation. Deviation is defined as x minus a. So our observation is 15 and the a is 25. So 15 minus 25 comes to be minus 10. 20 minus 25 comes to be minus 5. 22 minus 25 can be minus 3. 24 minus 25 comes to be minus 1. And 25 minus 25, that is 0. 30 minus 25, that is 5. 33 minus 25 comes to be 8. And 38 minus 25 comes to be 13. Now we find the product of frequency and the deviation. Now 5 minus 10 comes to be minus 50. 8 minus 5, that is 40. 11 minus 3, that is minus 33. 20 into minus 1 comes to be minus 20. And 23 into 0 comes to be 0. And 18 into 5 comes to be 90. And 13 into 8 comes to be 104. And 2 into 23 comes to be 26. Now we have to find the summation ft, or you can say sigma ft, which comes to be 77 and we have to find the summation f, that is the sum of the frequency, and which is comes to be 100. So according to our assumed mean method, x bar is equals to a. Here a is 25, the value of sigma ft is 77, and the sigma f is 100. So the mean is 25 plus 7.77, and which is comes to be 25.77. So according to option A is correct. Now we move to the next method to finding the mean, is the step deviation method.